Zimbabwe is a country with 16 official languages, and most of these languages are not known because of their small numbers of the people who speak them. Good morning and welcome back again to your favorite channel with Uncle Saint Stephen. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, I kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to like, put your comment and your notification bell so that whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. The official languages of Zimbabwe is Xhosa. Xhosa is a Nguni Bantu language spoken by around just a little bit over 1% of Zimbabwean population. The actual number of the Xhosa speaking people in Zimbabwe is not known because Zimbabwe had never done a census that enumerated people by languages. This language is officially referred as isiXhosa. The word isiXhosa is derived from the Khoisan language and it means angry man. Most of the languages that involve tongue clicking originates from Khoisan. There is a small significant Xhosa speaking Fang community in Zimbabwe. These Xhosa people are divided into several tribes with related yet distinct heritages. Xhosa is a Nguni Bantu language mostly found in South Africa in the province of Eastern Cape, that is EC. In South Africa, it is spoken by over 7 million people. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to put your likes to no madama like saying. Also, comment, put your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you very much for joining me today. My name is Uncle Saint Stephen. Have a nice day and God bless you.